Welcome to iRenderings, the fast, affordable, self-service platform to create, edit, collaborate, and scale photorealistic renderings. No technical skills required. In this video, we'll walk you through creating your account and placing an order. For real-time help at any stage, our iRenderings AI has been trained to be your personal assistant. Just click the chat icon for quick, step-by-step support. To get started, visit iRenderings.areas.com and click Create an Account. Enter your account information, then select whether you'll be using the platform for company or personal use. You'll receive a verification code via email. If you don't receive it, please check your spam or junk folder. Once you receive the code, enter it to log in. If you choose a company account, you'll also be asked to enter your company name and mobile number. Once you're logged in, you're ready to start your first project. Click Start a Project. Enter your project name, project city, project country, project state or province, and project type. Please note that single-family homes under 4,000 square feet are currently included in iRenderings pricing. For larger projects, please reach out to us at info@areas.com for a custom quote. Next, you'll enter your floor plan details. Start by selecting how many elevations you need in iRenderings for. You'll now choose how your elevation files are organized. If your CAD file includes all elevations in one file, upload your single CAD file, enter the floor plan name, and list each elevation name. Then click Next to continue or click Add Additional Floor Plan to add a second floor plan. Again, start by selecting how many elevations you need in iRenderings for. Now, if your elevations are in separate files, upload your floor plan file. Enter the floor plan name, enter each elevation name, and upload each elevation file individually. Then, click Next to continue, or click Add Additional Floor Plan to add as many floor plans as you need. Now choose your render type for each floor plan elevation, either a two-sided rendering or a 360 rendering. You can review your order and total cost before heading to checkout. Enter your billing and payment information. Then confirm your order details before submitting your order. Once your order is placed, you'll need to choose the landscaping style for your iRenderings. At the bottom of the order confirmation page, click Select Landscaping Styles. Then, click Pick Landscaping Style to open the landscaping options. Start by selecting your landscaping region, urban, tropical, or desert. Then choose the specific landscaping style you'd like. Click Continue, and repeat for each elevation. Repeat this process for each elevation in your order, selecting a style that best complements your home's design. You can match the landscaping to your community's theme, regional climate, or even the preferences of your target buyers, so each rendering resonates with the market you're aiming for. Then click Submit Selections to continue. You can now see your order status, or click Done to review your order. You'll receive a confirmation email with your order summary. Within 3 to 5 business days, you'll receive an email with a direct link to access and customize your iRenderings. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see our emails. And that's it! Your iRenderings is ready to be customized, so you can start creating professional photorealistic renderings in just minutes.